Hey guys, it's Chewy again. We're doing a short tutorial on shop activated redstone. The idea here is we have a shop sign and we're going to use the shop sign to activate the redstone circuit. I got Death is here, 420. It's going to be helping me out since I can't purchase for my own shop signs. And we'll start with this one. This is a dud detector based shop system, and what you have is you have the little dud switch here that detects when the inventory inside the chest here changes, and you can use it to fire a redstone signal either like to a lamp, a door, a dropper. Options are unlimited, and if you would for me, just go ahead and buy one from that sign so they can see, and every time you buy one from that sign, it's going to cycle the machine and cause a redstone pulse. This machine is real reliable. It won't ever break. On occasion it will, if they spam the sign too fast, they may miss a prize or miss a pulse. But this is one of the options. It's a little big and it's noisy. It's got a piston in it, of course. And then, like I said, this is one way to do it. Right here is this is a dropper comparator based design. The way this one works is like if I look in this chest here, there's a one rotten flesh in the chest, and when he buys from the sign there, you see the light comes on, and then the signals cycle back through the bottom, and the dropper puts the item back in the chest. See, he's bought it, and now the dropper puts it back. This one's real robust. It doesn't break very often. If it does break, it would require a manual reset, or you can put in a reset switch here, like this. And in the event that it was to jam, you could press the set switch here and reset the dropper. But the reset won't do anything unless it's jammed. So it's fairly safe. And like you said, you see the comparator out of the chest into the block here with the torch, and the torch feeds down into the redstone underneath, like so. And that's how it works. And if you can see, he's spamming it pretty good right now, and it's continuing to work properly. Yeah. Now the third one here, it uses a hopper, and the neat thing about this one is, if you look in the chest, you see it's got a 64 stack of rotten flesh in there, and then the rest of the blocks are just a filler block. The cool thing about this one is, like, we'll have him buy one now, and he'll buy one, and the light will flash. You see, there you go. Now the cool thing is, on this one, you can change the number of items that have to be bought to cause it to go off. Like, let's say I take this half here out, and I take one more item out. Now, if there's one less item in there, or excuse me, one more item is what we need. We need one more. Yeah, one more item. See, now we'll watch the chat, and now it'll require two to be purchased for the item to open. If you go ahead and buy one and watch that it doesn't cycle, and see when you bought the second one, it did cycle, and it has reset back to the. You're going to need a delay here for the multiple items. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, and you'll need an appropriate delay here for the multiple items to work. It takes a little tweaking. If you'll go ahead and buy one, as you can see, nothing happened. When you buy the second one, you see when he buys the second one, it causes the pulse, and the delay gives enough time for the rotten flesh to go back into the chest before it starts again. And I use these to run like my archery game that I used to have, and other things where you want like a two-player game where each person would buy one to play together. This is something that you might want to use for something like that. And I hope this has helped y'all out. Thanks again to Death is Here 420 for helping me out, and
No problem.
you guys have a good one.